A citation is a written reference to a specific work and helps to identify the source of work. In this video, I will show you how to include an in-text citation in APA 7th edition style. Citations are important in academic writing for several reasons. To show your respect for the author or authors, to demonstrate that you're familiar with academic writing rules, to guide your readers to further research on your topic and to avoid plagiarism. One way to do in-text citations is called parenthetical citation. Parenthetical citations include the required information in parentheses, including the author's surname and year of publication in brackets at the end, just before the period. Here's an example.
Students did not know the importance of using citation. Learn 2020.
If you're citing a source with two authors, you should include an ampersand sign like this.
Learning about citations is both necessary and remarkably enjoyable. Smith and Jones, 2004.
What if there are more than two authors? For a source with 3 or more authors, you should use et al. To indicate. For example, there are 5 authors in this journal article. Benson et al. 2009 should be used in your in-text citation. Another way to do in-text citation is narrative citation. Narrative citations incorporate citation information into the text as part of the sentence. So you should put the year of publication in brackets after the author's surname, just like this.
Learn 2020 found that students did not know the importance of using citation.
If there are 2 authors, you should include both authors and use the word and, like this example.
Smith and Jones, 2004, maintain that learning about citations is both necessary and remarkably enjoyable.
For 3 or more authors, use this.
Learn et al. 2020.
Also, you need to include a page number if you are directly quoting a specific part of a source.
According to Learn 2020, citation is often ignored by students, particularly first-year students, because they lack awareness of its importance. Page 20.
A few more things should be noted when you use a direct quote. If you want to omit some words, phrases, or sentences from the quote to save space, or because some of the original text isn't necessary for your argument, use an ellipsis with a space before and after it to indicate that some material has been left out.
According to Learn 2020, citation is often ignored by students because they lack awareness of its importance. Page 20.
Square brackets should be used to indicate changes or additions within a direct quote.
According to Learn 2020, citation is often ignored by students in academic writing, particularly first-year students, because they lack awareness of its importance. Page 20.
Here's a question. What if I'm not using a direct quote? Do I need to include page numbers when referencing? The answer is no. If you're only paraphrasing, you don't have to include the page numbers as part of your reference. If you want to know more about citation, for example, how to cite a source with no authors, just click the link below. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the ELSS website for more resources.